Hello there and welcome to another special edition of Nature in My Backyard. I'm going to start the evening off with a Steel Reserve beer. Here we go. Oh, hang on. Just going to take a sip of this. Oh. Followed by a bit of Hershey's chocolate. I'm now going to look around my backyard for some local wildlife. I found a tropical green tree frog up here, which I'm going to catch, and we're going to zoom in on it. Catch the little blight. Okay, I'm going to bring him out in the light. Oh! Right down there, hang on. Hang on a minute. I'll catch him. Here we go. Very rare. There's only 12 of these left in the whole world. 12 green tropical dwarf pygmy midget green tropical tree frogs. There's only 12 left. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, that's it for this evening's show. I'm just going to eat a frog and see you next week.